Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors. Thank you for coming today, and I have another unboxing from Feelook Art. So today I am unboxing a new diamond painting series that they have that are in stained glass look, and I absolutely love stained glass diamond painting. So that is what we're looking at today. So of course you see their box here, and I've told you before, it's very strong and durable. It's textured, it's blue, it has their logos on it, just everything that you could possibly need in a box. And it did come within another box too, a cardboard box, so very well protected. Here we have some creating steps and what your kit contains. We have their social media on this side. You can use that QR code and go to their social medias. At this end here, we have a picture of what your diamond painting looks like, and your fabric sizes and the size of the actual canvas. And this is called Prismatic Butterfly, and it is about 23 and a half by 31 and a half, so pretty big diamond painting here. So there's our box, and I am going to take everything out. Okay, this is the standard toolkit that everybody gets with Feelook Art, and I'm going to take everything out. They have a couple of nice little trays here. You get two of these trays here, and these are nice, even though they're a little small. They're not flimsy, they won't bend and fly out of your hands when you use them. You can use these baggies. They give you quite a few in these two packages here, and if you like to work that way, you can put this set of stickers right on these baggies, and off you go. This is the pen that they give you. It's usually preloaded, yep, with some wax on the end there, and you just twist this till it comes out the end. I don't use that type of wax. You get a sharp pair of angled tweezers, and that came off, so I have to be careful because you will poke yourself and it will hurt. And you get some extra cartridges of wax that you can refill in that pen. You also get this booklet, and it has more instructions and tips in here, and when you started your diamond painting, when you finished it, and there's another little QR code there. You get a picture of the artwork, more QR codes. I noticed that there is not a artist trading card in this one, which it's fine with me. And you have these little peelable labels, which I love, that you can put on your containers, and I think those are great. This diamond painting has 35 colors there. We're going to look at that. So we're all done with this stuff. So I'm going to move that over. Make sure the camera's still running because it has shut off on me twice today. Okay, looks like we're good. I don't dare touch it now. Alright, here is our canvas. And this is a short lint canvas, what they call a short lint canvas. It's very strong material, but it's very soft, and then they poke the edges and serge the fabric there, or scallop it, or whatever they do, so it doesn't fray. Here is the top of their canvas with their logo there. And I do want to point out something about this black border that's going around the canvas. The edge of the glue stops right where you see the symbols, so you don't have to worry about any extra glue hanging off the edges and getting in your sleeve or your arm, and you don't have to put washi tape down to cover it. And that goes around the entire diamond painting. The plastic covering is very strong, so it's not going to easily tear on you when you are removing it to do your sections. The legend is on the left hand side here. It's also over here on the bottom right. Piece of cardboard. So let's look at the symbols. So we have mostly numbers and capital letters. There's one lowercase letter, and the rest are symbols. So nothing crazy, nothing weird. And down here we have one AB here. We can look at the clearness of the symbols, which I think is really nice. And this diamond painting is making me smile because I'm seeing all of this black on here, which is my favorite drill. It must be 310. 310 right there. And it's outlining all the parts of the butterfly as if it were stained glass. So that's going to be beautiful. Look at the colors in here. Very beautiful colors. Oh, it just goes on and on, doesn't it? All the way to the bottom. So at the bottom of the canvas, you have your social media again. Now, I didn't even roll this canvas backwards, and you can see it's already laying flat, which is kind of a little bit too big for my table. So I'll put all the links for everything in the description box. Their official website and everything, and you can use any of those QR codes to go to their social media and check that out. And if you complete a project, they would love to have you tag them so they can see it. They want to get your feedback and stuff, or your review. And I do have a discount code. It's Diana10. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but there are other ways you can save at Feelook Art. For instance, if you sign up with your email address, you can get 15% off, which is a nice discount. I think you can only use that one time, though. And I may make a very small commission if you decide to use my discount code. It's in the description box of all of my videos. So I'm seeing 1AB here, and I'm going to show it to you. It's right here. It's a beautiful pale yellow AB, and I hope it's coming through the camera how pretty it is. And I bet that there are at least 6 big bags of 310 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm seeing 8 of them here. That's unbelievable. Oh, I'm happy about that. I'm very happy about that. So the ABs are going to go in these very lighter sections of the segments of the wings. Also in the body here, and then down at the bottom like here and here, and a little on each side here. Alright, so that is our diamond painting from Feelook Art. I want to thank them again so very much. Please check out their website and see and learn about their summer sale that they're having. And I'm not sure how long that is going on, but you can read about it on the website. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time with something new.